In this video, I'm going to show you my high protein diet and easy ways to sneak in those fruits and veggies.
My idea's getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds.
Now, before I eat anything or drink any coffee, first thing I put in my body is water. Now, meal number one is going to be an egg white omelet and a side of toast. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw in some veggies there. Throwing in veggies in an omelet is just a simple, easy way to kind of stack up your veggie serving throughout the day. I'm going to be throwing in some spinach, and then I also am a huge onion fanatic, so we'll put some onion in there too with some low-fat mozzarella. All right, meal number one, we have our egg white omelet. So that's going to contain our protein, fats, and then some veggies. And then we have some toast, carbohydrates, coffee, caffeine, ready to go. I'll flash the macros on the screen right now. All right, meal number two, Metrics protein bar. This is vanilla churro. Ooh, it's good. 380 calories, 30 grams of protein. We got an apple, and then gonna wash it down with some water. I'm gonna flash the macros right here. Just got done working out chest, shoulders, and triceps. Now I'm gonna get some protein and carbs in. Got a protein shake, blueberries, pineapple, creatine, and whey protein, and then some extra carbs with chocolate rice cakes. I'm going to show you what the macros are right here. Our next meal here is going to be a salad. We're going to do a bunch of kale, spinach, Parmesan cheese, and then about 4 ounces of chicken and 2 ounces of ground turkey, because I didn't have a lot of it. And then this dressing right here by Bolt House. 1 serving, 45 calories, 3 fat, 3 carb, 1 protein. right, everybody's eating good over here. Yeah, you like that. Next up, we're gonna make my world famous chocolate, peanut butter, banana ice cream. Boom. What we're gonna need for this is, you can do water, milk, or it's a heck of a lot better if you do this right here. Protein powder, vanilla, chocolate, banana, peanut butter might work too. Peanut butter. And then these are the keys right here. Hershey's Cocoa. And then the secret ingredient, this, which is actually and frozen bananas. All right, the next step is we gotta transfer it to a bowl. And then we're gonna pop that bad boy in the freezer. And I would recommend stirring it occasionally, like every 10 minutes or so, until it's the consistency that you like. Now, a little pro tip, that's gains right there. So if you fill that up with water or milk and just kind of drink that afterwards, don't miss out on any of it. So I'll show you what the final product looks like. And we'll just flash there now. Here's the final product. Ooh, it tastes so good too. I'm gonna flash the macros on the screen right now. If you made it this far, how about leaving a like? If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I do a new video every single week. See ya.